All right, guys, welcome back to Tailored Trailers. I'm Deja.
I'm Stockton, and with us today we have a representative from Grand Design, Jordan Strubel.
How we doing? So we are in our all-new 2023 Solitude 391DL right now. We're truly excited. We are about 11 years in now to building the Solitude product, and we're bringing you this beautiful 2-bedroom, 2 full bath unit, and we're truly excited. So we'll show you a few things throughout. One of the biggest things that I'm super excited about is you have this huge open living space. Usually when you go to a mid-bunk or a 2-bedroom or just a bunkhouse model, you're always giving up a little bit of livability. You're always giving up some room in the kitchen, but not in this coach. This is the kind of model where you're gonna have a lot of family, you're gonna have a lot of friends, so you need that extra space. So big counter space here that you can see. It's all gonna be prepped for a dishwasher as well, in case you're tired of doing your dishes just in a normal sink here. Got some neat little features like some 110 plugs and USB. But the other thing, as you kind of scan around, you guys will notice we have huge windows all the way around the coach. So you're going to let that indoor, the outdoors in, bring in that really nice natural light, and just make it feel more like a home than just your typical RV.
You definitely have like a full 360 of nature right around you.
Yeah, and you talk about the huge windows, but really everything in here is huge. The island's huge, the fridge is huge, the stove is huge. The second bedroom we're going to show you is humongous. I mean, everything in here is an ample amount of space for everybody. You got seating for everybody, you got space to cook, you got the giant TV back here. I mean, everything about this is huge.
Perfect, yeah, and in a place like Utah, here at General RV, get a lot of big families out here too. So if you guys want to kind of scan around this way, you can see we have this huge loft up here too for the kids, your grandkids, dry storage, whatever it is that you like to put up there. And then walking back here, this is probably the most special part of the coach.
100%.
It really sets it apart from others.
I've never seen a second bedroom in a coach this big. I have to say. There's so much space in here. Does this have underbed storage?
It does, and actually this is a queen bed. You'll notice you have little floating shelves. We have an optional king as well. Yeah, Deja, we got great storage.
Holy crap.
The last thing we wanted is to give you a bedroom here without the storage. You got huge drawers on both sides, and you can scan around this way too. Got
You have a full dresser.
Full dresser. 2 big wardrobe closets. We joke around and say hers and hers because we know that the ladies aren't always going to share with us guys.
And his.
And his. You get this one right
This
here.
one.
So, full extension drawer, so you're not reaching partially the way in. And then a couple of neat little features too. Got a little hidden storage there.
That's one of my favorite things about Grand Design. I love this hidden storage.
Put your jewelry in there,
Exactly.
and you have your special things that you don't want out in the open. And then the other part too is we know there's going to be a lot of kids. A lot of RVers have pets. You'll notice that there's no heat registers exposed on the floor in any of our units.
That's amazing.
Dirt, dog hair, popcorn, all those things are getting down in there and they're a nuisance, and nobody likes cleaning it after it shoots up when running the heat on a cold day like we have here today.
Yeah.
100%.
The other thing back here too is, in a 2-bedroom model, there are others out there that make them, but not everybody gives you a bathroom, let alone a full bathroom with a second shower.
Yeah, full shower back here, and there is no problem with height back here. I'd probably have 3 feet of space above my head in the shower.
Unless you're 8 feet tall, that's where the limit lies.
I mean, even 8 feet you might be able to fit in here. It goes all the way up.
So the 3 of us might even be able to fit back
Oh,
here
yeah.
if we could
Oh,
squeeze
yeah.
in. So again, a lot of room, big shower, and the other neat part back here too is you have a second entrance to go outside.
Yeah, and when you're camping, you don't have to worry about the stairs being in here because the stairs will be down outside the door, so you get the extra space as well.
Agreed.
So perfect. You guys want to take a look going back up towards the bedroom?
Of course.
After you. Notice huge pantry on our way up. You're going to want to stock, plenty of food for your friends, for yourself. Big 4-door refrigerator. We also now have an optional 12-volt refrigerator that we've gone to with an ice maker. But again, just a big fridge because we know you're going to have lots of guests.
Something I love is this bathroom. Jordan, how spa-like is this? It's beautiful.
It looks very much residential. 1-piece shower, and then I'm sure you're going to love that. You got the full body sprayers.
100%.
Again, just really nice residential feel.
I agree. I love it. Coming in here, what we would consider the master suite.
Yes. So this is where you're going to want to be staying. Obviously your guests and everybody else can go back there, but we wanted to give you a great master bedroom. You're going to have 6'6" height clearance here, so your taller
Wow.
folks You're gonna have plenty of room. You're not gonna feel closed in. Big slide here, really deep, over 40 inches deep for your slide. And I love this window.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
A lot of times you never get that window there.
Right, so
Yeah.
it feels very boxed in, and you just want it to feel open and light and bright like you have here. Got two big windows on the side for you also. You can let that breeze pass through the slide and just really open up and aerate the coach for you. And then we give you a great walk-in closet here as well. Some great shelves, very easy to get to. You
It's
can see if you
another-
fit inside there.
Right, this is
Another
like a
person
separate
right.
bedroom for Deja right here.
Exactly.
Definitely my size.
And then Stockton right behind you, because I know you're
Yep.
the one doing all the laundry. This is where your washer and dryer is going to go.
Yep.
You can do a true stackable, or you can do just a combination one, or maybe if you don't want a washer and dryer, that's where you put your winter clothes and things that you're not getting to every day.
Yep.
I agree.
And then, of course, you got another great dresser here, flip up top,
Yep.
just like we saw in the other bedroom. And again, maybe one of these other special parts, just tons of open storage. And one thing you'll notice too, we always say at Grand Design that we build the quality in, we don't just bolt it on. So structurally, we build our coaches extremely well. You notice there's no soft spots, no creaks, one-piece floors. Everything just feels very solid, even down to under our beds. Real birch plywood versus cheap particle board like others will use at times. We just want to give you that solid structure. Again, endless storage for you. Everything is really well finished off.
And on that note, I want to point out how much weight these drawers can take too. Like I can put my body weight on this and it'll handle it. I mean, good luck putting that many clothes in there to push the weight limit, but they are super solid all the way throughout the coach.
Absolutely. Real birch plywood on the bottoms,
Yeah.
the sides, structurally just built strong.
Yeah, it's amazing. If you guys want to see this in person, we will be here at the show. Ask for Deja or myself. Jordan will also be here to help answer any more technical questions. If you want to see this outside of the show, you can see us at General RV. Just ask for Deja or myself.
Make sure to like and share this video with your friends. But yeah, other than that, tune in next time.